This car wash foam gun works with either a regular garden hose or a power sprayer. It has the attachment to fit for either. You use a car wash foaming cleaner solution with this. Saves a bucket, saves time, speeds up the whole job. This will attach directly to my standard garden hose. Inside there's a nice washer to help prevent any kind of leaking, spraying out the wrong way. The Quick Connect feature on this not only allows you to set it up quickly with the soap, but also you disconnect and you can use this as a sprayer to rinse your car. It's a good system, it's a good time saver. Very happy to have this.